patient advocacy organization We Are Ill is getting ready to host a special member meetup tonight. The nonprofit has been serving Black women with multiple sclerosis for the last few years. Here to talk a little bit more about tonight's event is Victoria Reese with We Are Ill. Thanks for being here this morning.
Thanks for having me.
So give us an idea about your organization and what inspired you to focus on this specifically with Black women.
Yeah, so I was actually diagnosed with multiple sclerosis in 2012. I was 25 and I was experiencing numbness and tingling. When I started to research what the illness was and how it would affect me, I really didn't see Black women in the space. So I went out on my own and created a nonprofit organization, We Are Ill, and we're here today.
And if people are going to this meetup tonight, what can they expect there?
They can expect fellowship, fun, and networking in a positive way.
And why did you feel like this was so important to helping the community? You said you didn't feel represented in this space. What do you mean by that?
Well, MS was known as a white woman's disease. So when I was diagnosed, my doctor actually told me that Black people don't get MS. But that's actually very untrue. Black people are disproportionately affected by MS. So I felt it was necessary to create a space for us to be seen and heard.
And what other events does your organization plan to maybe support this community?
Yeah, so we actually have an annual patient conference called Wellness Weekend. It takes place in Atlanta this November 1st through 3rd.
And if somebody's interested in coming out to join you guys tonight, how can they do so?
Yeah, if you can visit our website, weareillms/events, you can register there.
And also, you were saying that you guys didn't feel represented in this space. So
yes.
How does having this community kind of help people, I guess, feel better about this diagnosis?
Yeah, MS is a chronic illness. It's very isolating, and it's a snowflake disease. It looks different in different people. So I think having this community is very important to learn about it and to ultimately have better health outcomes because you're able to take care of yourself.
Victoria, thanks so much for being here this morning.
Thanks for having me.